Hey, Reveille. Can Soldier have the pretzel? He wants the pretzel. She has had this pretzel all day. Literally all day. She won't eat it. She won't leave it. If I try to get it, she does that. She has literally never broken the skin. She's tried. Reveille. It's a tiny, oh,